I'm so impressed. Okay. I'm gonna do a full length. I'm gonna change my outfit and everything because listen. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good today. So this video is going to be on this 50-inch box braided wig. Okay, you know you gotta do the hand motions and everything with it because this is a fire wig. This is a sensational wig that I got from Elevate Styles. It was on sale and then I got to use a 15% off discount code, so I was happy about that. I'm not gonna hold you guys long, so if y'all want to know my thoughts on what I think of this wig, then just keep watching. So this is the wig. It is Cloud9 Swiss lace, 100% hand braided lace wig. The parting is 4x4, and so right here it shows you the picture of like the parting space in the lace, and then it has natural baby hairs, natural parting, and natural hairline, all that stuff like that. So the back gives like maintenance instructions and all that good stuff. So I got 50 inches because the one that I wanted, I think it was 30 inches, it was out of stock or whatever. So I did get 50 inches and I got all black. I didn't get this blonde looking color that you're seeing. So we're gonna take this out the box. So I like that the wig has this not adjustable strap. It has this thing right here, whatever this is, you know, to make it glueless. And it has the straps at the back to tighten the wig as well. Can y'all see that? And then the lace, and of course it comes with the combs. So this is like the lace right here. It actually looks like the color of my foundation. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's showing up a little light on camera. But yeah. Hold on now. Sis, what is this? What is going on? Get this right here. Like, now what in the world did they do right here? Like, what is this? Focus. Focus. What is this right here? What is this? Somebody please tell me what this is. So I'm just trying it on to see what it looks like on my head or whatever, and it's very pretty. It's really, really long, baby. Like, I'm happy I got this 50 inches. Period. Y'all probably like, do she love the wig or what? Like, come on now. But honestly, I don't think it's bad. I don't know. I hope it's better. Yeah, something going on back here. What is this? What's this? What is this? And this. Okay. Can y'all see? Am I complaining too much or what? So I tried switching the camera settings, and I don't know. But okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at this right here, see what this is, because I don't want to tear nothing. I got my mannequin head back here. She ready, and we're not gonna have a mistake like we did the last time with this, cause like it's just sitting up here. Okay, so we're not gonna have a mistake like we did the last time with that blue wig when I cut off too much lace. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take her off, and then we're gonna work on the lace. So I really hope this quality is not too bright, y'all. It looks like I got a whole bunch of white lights and stuff, and I think it may be too bright. So what I'm experiencing back here is I need to cut these. It's like some little black strings or whatever that basically need to be cut. And if I mess up something, I'm gonna be highly peed off. Like peed off. Cause This is a lot of work. I'm lazy, y'all. If y'all don't know, I'm lazy. With certain things anyway. Like this wig should just be throw on and go, baby. But no, I'm highly satisfied. I just expected them to not, like, you see how the wig looks at the beginning, like these parts are like perfect and everything. I expected the entire wig to be like that. So that's all. I'm cutting these little black strings, y'all. What if my wig start falling apart? I am going to cry. But like, seeing how thin it is and how lightweight it is on my head and everything, like I actually want another one. Oh my goodness, I really need to learn to make them myself. Well, I did one myself. I'll link it in the cards section so you all can watch. And y'all probably like, what is she cutting? We can't see. So are there any more? I think I cut them all, but I'm gonna try to find. Yeah, I think I did cut them all. But it's like little black thread. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me pick up the mannequin. I don't know if it's gonna focus good. Yeah, like little black thread that had the braids pinned down together. So I just had to cut them so I can move it like this freely, you know. And maybe it wasn't supposed to be cut, but I ain't like that or whatever. So next we're gonna move on to cutting the lace. So I still do not know where my eyebrow razor is. I need to buy another one. But when you use scissors, you never cut straight across. Never cut your lace straight across when you are using scissors. If you do, it is not going to look like a natural hairline, and it's just gonna look, it's gonna look fake. It's gonna show up in pictures bad. So we never want to cut straight across. So I'm going to cut the middle of the lace. And then what I did, like in my last video, I like to cut it in sections. That basically makes it easier for me to cut in sections. And then, I hope I don't see my head. Okay. And then cut in like zigzag fashion. That way it looks like a natural hairline. It looks jagged and rigid and all that stuff that we want, and it don't look fake. So if y'all can't see this, then I'll probably speed through it, but I'm just gonna cut in zigzag fashion, and I'll show y'all what the lace look like after I cut. That way you can see, like, hey, she's right, she knows what she's talking about. See how that is not straight across? Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see it up against my hand. It's Swiss lace. But it's not cut straight across. Like, focus, darling. Focus, darling. Camera's on autofocus, but it's not focusing. Well, anyways. So I did have to go in and put some foundation in the lace. So now I'm about to see if I need to glue it down. And baby, look at how it's going to melt. Okay, like, period. Wig wear, okay. Oh, and I changed the settings, like the camera settings and everything like that. So let me know if y'all like this better. The only thing is, it's like a little hump or something up here. Like, it's not laying flat enough for me. So. I really don't want to take this wig off again. So I'm going to just spray the edges because I did want it to be glueless. And I'm going to just spray the edges or whatever. So I'm going to take my alligator clips and clip the hair back. I probably like this girl is lazy. Yes. I just want the simple things. I just want you. No, I'm not a singer. Oh my goodness. Okay. So. And we already know I'm not perfect at these baby hairs or whatever. So I got my Got To Be Insta Hold and my just regular Got To Be. And I'm going to spray these around my edges. And no, it's not dry. But I don't want to blow dry it. So what I'm going to do is just stick it down. Okay. Spray this over it. Put my scarf on for 10 minutes. Juneteenth is tomorrow, you guys. So this scarf just made me think about that. So I'm putting my scarf on for about 5-10 minutes. 10 minutes max. And then we're going to be back to finish this video, okay? So what do the normal people, the normal YouTubers, they set their timers. So I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Alright, good people. It has been 10 minutes. And we're going to take this off. And baby. Hey. God gifted these hands because this, you know. Alright. I'm not bragging. I'm thankful. So, I'm going to take out the baby hairs. The baby hairs or whatever. Let me go get some mousse and try to do these baby hairs because y'all know how I feel about baby hairs. I can't really do them, but we're going to try today, okay? So I used the Nairobi foam wrap, and as you can tell, I am on the last leg. I need to go get some more today. And I'm just going to use a edge brush and try to do these. So I'm going to put some foam on the back of my hand. And Like they gave these some long baby hairs. I'm hollering because what am I doing? I may have to cut it some. Duh. And that's where I mess up when I cut them. So we're gonna start right here. But y'all know how they had a long baby hair down here? Like, it's that. Can I do that? I can't do baby hairs. I'm gonna have to go off camera. So I still couldn't do the baby hair, so I'm just like, forget it at this point. So I just kind of like flipped it to the front like this or whatever, hid the baby hairs, and I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like, the length and everything. So yeah, overall my thoughts are I think it's a pretty decent wig. It's lightweight, it's very lightweight, it's very easy to apply. I love the length. I've never worn hair this long before, and so I love the length. The Swiss lace is so beautiful. I've never used Swiss lace before, and so I really like that as well. And then the braids, they are pretty as well. Only thing that I did not like is that little part in the of the braids that I showed you guys, and as well as like it won't lay down, and I think it's because my braids are a little bit bigger underneath than what they normally are. So yeah, I would give this wig an 8 out of 10, honestly, 8 out of 10. And I do want another one. They do have more on their website, so I'll be sure to link this wig below. I'll link their website below, and you guys comment below letting me know what you think, and I'll see y'all in my next video.